and welcome to Williams Group 91.
First up, York. Glorious York! Here we have a couple of cross-country contraptions, specifically two 20,013 and two 21,109. Double the delight! They're off on what I can only describe as a monumental commitment. Plymouth to Edinburgh. Good grief! You'd need several lifetimes and probably a factory-sized flask of tea to tackle that journey. Just look at them go! A bit of a hiss, a dash of wobble, and then off they trundle like an enthusiastic tortoise. Not exactly breaking the sound barrier, are they? Oh, look at that! Yet another one! How utterly surprising. Cross-country once more with the delightful number 221137. Here it comes, plodding into York, having survived the heroic trek from Dundee to Birmingham New Street. Hold on a tick! Now this could actually be exciting. A rare glimpse of the EMR Aurora, number 810,008. Finally, something fresh, or at least kind of fresh. It's out on a test run, which may mean it could one day zoom past like a particularly motivated badger. Just look at it go! Sleek, modern, and dare I say, promising. Maybe not quite as soul-crushingly dull as being stuck on those ancient clunkers for 5 hours. So there you have it, a thrilling peek into the captivating world of British Rail on a perfectly mundane Friday. You're welcome!
Thank you very much for watching the video content. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to my channel at Williams Group 91.